Hi, welcome to IT Support BD. Today I want to show you EPSON L6160 printer unboxing, review and full setup step by step. EPSON L6160 Wi-Fi Duplex Multifunction Ink Tank Printer is built 4800 x 1200 dpi printing resolution. You can use this printer multi-purpose like print, copy, scan. Okay, let's start unboxing. EPSON provide all new printer with original one set ink. This is one set new colors ink that EPSON has given inside the printer's box. And this is the 2-pin power cable. This is printer manual with software and printer driver DVD disc. This is the printer data cable. This is the ink drum of the printer. Now we will fill the ink on this printer. When the ink on the printer fills full the drum, you will see that there is a little ink in the bottle which can be used later. Now I'll turn on the printer. First I will give the power connection to the printer. I will turn on the printer by pressing the power button and select the language on the display board. When the processing is done, we will start the initialization by pressing the question button. After finish the initialization, you will see that the ink has decreased in the drum of your printer. Now we will connect the network connection to the printer and put the paper in the printer drawer. Now we will set the static IP on printer. Go to the settings menu and general setting. Then go to the network settings menu and click advanced options. Now you configure your IP address from the TCP IP menu and you can set up manually. Now set up this printer on my computer, copy the EPSON DVD disk, and run the installed NavalX file. Click Start and connect. Check the EPSON license agreement and click Next. The Precision Core printhead printing technology is used in this printer with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11 Server 2012, 2016, 2019, Mac OS X 10.6.8 or later operating compatibility. If you use the same network on your computer and printer, your EPSON software will automatically detect this EPSON printer. Now just select your printer and click Next. This multifunctional printer has 1200 x 2400 dpi scan resolution with 2.4 color LCD display. EPSON multifunctional printer is built in USB, LAN, Wi-Fi interface, and also you can use this printer in mobile and web printing like in mobile printing, Apple AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, Mopria Print Service or support, and in web printing EPSON ePrint, EPSON Email Print, Remote Print Driver, Scan to Cloud are supported. This multifunction printer provides 1 year of warranty. Now successfully installed this EPSON printer. You can also manage your printer from the browser. Just browse your printer IP and manage basic and advanced functions. Thanks for watching this video.